Hey YouTubers, Joe's here with Joe's Golden Garage. I've had a lot of Lexus videos here lately, but this is a Lexus I did about 2 years ago, 2 summers ago. This is my mom's 2006 LS430. We're going to do a cold start. It's 40-ish something degrees. It got below freezing last night, but this is her 06 LS430. This is a cream puff of a Lexus. Let's do a little cold start here. All right. You could hear the power mirrors folding. They make kind of a racket. But yeah, cold start. Let's see how many miles we got to date. 83,333. Not bad for an 06. She bought this car new 2005, December of 05. Thought the window sticker might be right there. And she's had it ever since. So it's December of 05. So, you know, what are we going on here? About 14 years. And, you know, as I've said in my other LS430 videos, you know, this is the best of the best. The 06, one of the best, if not the best. They claimed the 93, 94s were the best for many years, but I think now that the 01 through 06s have become so much more obtainable and the prices have fell, and you know, you can get a damn good example for $5,000 to $8,000. One with 83,000 miles might cost you a little bit more. I'm not sure how much. But these are a great value. This one is not for sale. Won't be for a while. She plans on keeping this car for a long, long time. But let's do a little walk around. Pop the hood. And this is just basically just a little update video on the car. Not a lot has changed in 2 years. I need to go back to that old video and see how many miles the car had on it then. I wanted to say it had about 77 or 76,000 miles. It doesn't, you know, it's not driven a whole lot. It's getting close to time to having the timing belt changed. Let's see what our vibration's like these days. Not too bad, pretty smooth. A lot of that was just my hand shaking. Looks like we got a fairly new battery in there. It's had a fresh oil change and service. But other than that, I mean, you don't ever have to do anything to these cars. I think the last time it was at the Lexus dealership was for the 60,000 mile service, which they do a pretty exhaustive servicing of the car. And then it'll probably go back at about 90,000 to 100. Probably go ahead and get a timing belt and water pump at that time. But we're still rolling with some Goodyear Eagle RSAs. They're about 50% left. That's been a pretty good little tire. Oh, door's locked. But the car is it's dirty. It could use a wash. This is a Natalie Lexus car. It's where it was bought new and it's serviced there. The main blemish is this ding right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's got a ding. But, you know, door panels, all very clean, very solid. I mean, the driver's seat, spotless. back seat. Again, very, very clean back here. Sorry about the shading. A little bit of junk she's accumulated there in the floorboard. She needs to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, this car doesn't haul passengers that much. Usually just her. That's it. Let's take it for a little spin. Yeah, I think the only repair this car has ever had was when it was back in 2006, when it was basically new. I think it had been in her possession just a couple of months. The windshield cracked, but not from a rock chip. It cracked up here above the rear view mirror straight down, and Lexus looked at it and they discovered that it was a stress crack of some kind. So Lexus actually replaced the steering wheel for no charge, which was nice. And that's been the only warranty repair period on this car. I think it's had a set of brakes one time, and this set of tires, let's see, we had the original set, then some Kumos were put on it, and then these Goodyears. So the Goodyears are the third set of tires. The Kumos didn't last very long for some reason, and I'm a fan of Kumo tires, but they didn't last very long on this car. So turn this fan on. Of course, this car has the navigation. I agree. No, you know, it's a little bit old school. Looks like Pac-Man. But you know, it works. It's got the backup camera. It's got Bluetooth for your phone. No Bluetooth audio though. This car's a little too old for that. But these things are just great cars. I mean, they just drive so good. They're so quiet. They're so smooth. This 6-speed automatic just shifts perfectly. You know, I shot a video of a 06 that I bought in the same color combination that does not have the nav or the, this has the Mark Levinson sound system as well. And it doesn't have that, but it's the same color combo inside and out. And it has 148,000 miles on it. And it's had its time and melt done. You know, it's been serviced well. And that car drives just as good as this one. They both, I mean, you could throw the keys up in the air, and if you were, you know, blindfolded like Bird Box, you would not know which one you were in. They both drive exactly the same. So these things really are true testament of you know, quality and craftsmanship, and they just last forever. This car still doesn't have any rattles. The suspension is still tight, doesn't clunk or pop, or, you know, there's no worn out bushings, or, you know, everything is, to me, as new. Get on the interstate, you can go 100, 120, fast you want to go. It's just solid, straight, and smooth. And this V8 is just so quiet, just so velvety smooth. We'll get a little acceleration run right here, leaving this stop sign. Yeah, got a car coming. Let me straighten out my wheel. Nice blinker, appreciate that. Not. Yeah, buddy. She still got it. Still got it. One good thing, my mother is a very slow and delicate driver. She handles her vehicles with a soft hand. She is not an aggressive driver. She is a very slow, kind of pokey driver. I actually do not enjoy riding with her. I prefer to drive if we go anywhere because she's almost a little too slow. But that's a good thing for the car. The car's never been beat on, and that little acceleration run I just did, that would be the extent of an exciting drive in this car. This vehicle doesn't get full throttle acceleration runs. So I guess I probably just blew some cobwebs out, blew the soot out. But anyway, we're gonna just drive here a minute. Oh, shut up. We'll do one more acceleration run right here. I'm getting on a 4-lane highway. Whoa, shit, don't pull out in front of the UPS truck. That would be a video going viral for sure. So yeah, she's a pretty quiet beast. This wouldn't qualify really as a beast. Pretty powerful, quiet, solid Luxo boat. I guess you could say. But let's see, what do we got? We got heated and cooled seats, which are so nice. Got a silly little power sunshade, and of course your traction control button, and you've got power and snow functions for your transmission. It's just set in normal. It's always just been in normal. And of course it's got the power moonroof, and it's got the garage link set up, auto dimming mirror. Oh, I like this feature, the power seat belt heighten. That is so handy for tall people like me. All windows are power, one-touch power up and down. So that's really convenient and handy. These seats are just so comfortable, and the leather they put in these cars is just so soft. It reminds me of a Coach handbag. Let's see what we got here. But yeah, so that's it. A little update video. Not a lot has changed, but the original video on this car had a lot of views. It was up at our family's lake house up in Blue Ridge. We're back down at the main house in Cartersville, Georgia. And just thought I'd do a quick update on this car. Not a lot changed, and that's good. I've got a 2015 Lexus GX470 I'm going to do right after I wrap this one up. It's my aunt's vehicle, and so look for that one as well. Y'all have a great day. If you like, hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Comments below, I appreciate those as well. I read all of them. Anyway, y'all have a great day. See ya.